The unexamined life is not worth living. A wise philosopher said that, and I totally agree. And so, going over my life after having a birthday is to examine my life and see at what point in time I am now. I feel that I have what the Japanese call an Ikigai, a sense of purpose in life, a direction, a reason for living, wherein I wake up very excited early in the morning, and throughout these years, these many days, and for many, many more years, I feel I can go because I have a purpose in life. Now, what makes it so? Well, one of them is definitely my family. I have a loving wife. She's the sunshine of my life, the apple of my eye, and the wind beneath my wings. And I have two wonderful children. And I can see the future when I can still be guiding them, being with my family. I have good friends everywhere. I continue to have strong social bonds with them. And that adds to a long-term vision in life. You know that you have friends that you can lean to in times of challenges. I make sure that I'm not only focused on what I intend to do. One of my callings in life is definitely to create added awareness to not only myself but to the community that I live in. To be healthier, to be happier, and to live longer. And so to do that means I am thinking of making a lot of events for the entire community so that we create added awareness on physical, mental, emotional, social, and even spiritual health. And in doing so, we empower them. So even without us really guiding them, once they understand it, they're empowered to do it with their lives. Not only just being focused on your profession, on your work, on your business, but taking time to rest, to sleep properly, to hydrate, and to go on vacations and be with the children, laugh with them, to have those cares set aside for the moment and just focus on being mindful, on being healthy in our lives. I developed an optimism, so much so that I focus on the solution rather than worrying about all of those problems. Once you have identified the problem, don't focus on it. Just look for the solution. And so in doing so, you become optimistic. You become healthy in mind. One of the things I've cultivated is always be forgiving. To let the past hurts, the past things that did not make us happy, to bury them. And to forgive people and to forgive yourself. I have a hobby and I have a sports hobby. One of the things that I like to do is actually sing and dance. So I have many times when I'd be singing at home and even in karaoke bars and dancing with my wife. And so while I'm doing my calisthenics, I make sure that I play the music so I can dance with it. That keeps me a lot healthier and a lot happier. Definitely, I volunteer a lot in our community here in the city of Baguio. Just a few months ago, I started what I call a Salon At Wellness Festival. It's right there at the back. It is to create added awareness, like I was telling you, so that we can prevent many illnesses, be healthier, and doing it the natural way. And in the next few months, I have organized several others like walkathons, a healthy food festival, and all pointing to next year's Salon At Wellness Festival. It keeps my mind busy. I have included there writing a book and writing many books, not only on wellness, but on successful people as well, including a good friend of mine the only 8 division champion in the world, Manny Pacquiao. So watch out for it. But I'm focused really on extending a lot of blessings that I have received and sharing it with many people. And so I feel that with an Ikigai like that, a purpose like that, I will be given many blessings to live a healthier and happier and a longer, more resilient life. God bless us all, nasalunat, and mabuhay tayong lahat.